Hi, my name is Sana Ayala and I'm coming from Los Angeles, California, and I'm here for a plastic surgery. I'm planning to do a facelift and possible tummy tuck. I'm excited to be here at Mina's plastic surgery.
Are you guys ready to go?
We're ready to go.
So the fat area is here.
It's there, yeah.
And actually it's all 360 degrees all over. So we don't just want to do it here, but we want to do the whole thing all the way back. And it's not just in the lower part, but it's also in the upper part.
Yes.
So we're going to do the liposuction as much as we can. And with just the liposuction, you're going to have
Good morning. We're here with my aunt today, Tia Ana. Hi.
Hi.
Are you ready?
I'm ready to go.
Alright, so she's flown all the way from Los Angeles to get this procedure at Mina Plastic Surgery with Dr. Cha. And we're almost ready, but I just want to go over a little bit of what's going to happen today. So today she's going to have a facelift, but when you have a facelift, you're probably going to need a neck lift as well. So we're going to extract a little bit of fat here through liposuction, and then we're going to do a neck lift to tighten this area and then pull this area. The incision points are going to be around her ear line, so it's going to be hidden inside the ear. It's not going to be very visible. At the same time, we're going to try to fill these areas with a little bit of fat and reposition the fat under her eye just to make it look all nice and smooth. After that, we're going to go in and do liposuction around the waist area, which is 360 liposuction. Usually it's an incision in the front, a couple in the sides for the flanks, and a couple in the back. After that, we're going to do a tummy tuck to remove the excess skin. So more or less, it's kind of like a full body makeover.
Yes.
Yes. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, I'm just very excited to be here with you guys. So
All right, great.
ready to go.
So you need, honestly, if you want to have this procedure done, the recovery time for facelift and body liposuction is a little bit longer than other procedures. So you should give yourself, the bare minimum is 10 days, but we prefer 14 days. My aunt is actually staying for 3 weeks. If you have this amount of time, by the time you go back home, you'll be more or less fine. If you just have 1 week, it's really difficult because the stitches on the body don't come out for 10 days. The stitches on the face come out after 7 days, but the body stitches take a little bit longer. So we tend to ask people to give us at least 2 weeks. And then especially if you do a facelift, the recovery time is a little bit longer. So a couple of weeks for the facelift that you have in Korea is good enough. So we're gonna go have the second consultation with Dr. Cha. We had one yesterday. Then she went to do testing. And she's gonna go under general anesthesia for this procedure, and you have to go get this kind of testing. My aunt is actually a nurse in Los Angeles. So what did they give you yesterday? What kind of testing?
I have EKG, electrocardiogram, blood test, and chest X-ray.
So then the results come within a day, and then as long as you're approved, then you can go in and have the procedure. So the results were approved, she's allowed to go under general anesthesia. In many cases, like simple liposuction, it's just local with sedation and you don't need this kind of testing. But in this case, it's general anesthesia, so it's better to be safe, and it's mandated by law, so you have to have this kind of testing. Everything is approved and we're ready to go meet the doctor. That is required or recommended during the surgery. I acknowledge that all types of anesthesia have certain levels of risk and can cause illness, damage, and even death. Okay, so Dr. Cha, what's going to happen today exactly? Which surgeries will be performed?
Today we're going to work on the body parts. So we're going to do the liposuction of the 360 degrees of the body trunk and remove as much fat as we can. And there is going to be some remaining extra skin tissues, and we're going to remove that, pull down, and do the abdominoplasty.
So the abdominoplasty is normally referred to as tummy tuck.
Yes.
Correct? And can you just show me on myself right now, just so we show you a little bit of where the incision points are going to be. So can you point out on my end where the incisions will be for the liposuction?
The incisions will be along the inguinal lines here, and that's
Right
groin
here?
area. It's probably lower, so to hide the scarrings, and in the umbilicus.
And will there be anything along the back?
And on the back, probably in her case, two in the back, around right here.
Around this area?
Yes.
Okay, and then to hide the scarring, it's normally placed a little bit lower around here, or?
For the abdominoplasty.
For the abdominoplasty, basically under my belt line.
It would be very low, probably at the pubic bone area. So to as low as it can go, so that scarrings wouldn't show.
And how long does a surgery like this normally take, with the liposuction and the tummy tuck together?
It depends on the amount of fat a person has. So on average, I would say it takes at least 4 hours.
At least 4 hours? All right, I think my aunt is ready, so thank you very much.
Is your tiredness getting better, or is it
Tiredness
still
is getting better.
But
Getting better.
you look a little.
Yes, it is.
Sunday, you have to try your best to recover.
I
And
will.
try to walk around a lot,
I'm
ambulate a
walking,
lot
yes.
as
I'm
much as
walking.
And relax down,
I'm
eat good
relaxing.
food,
Yeah.
and then try to.
I think it's already went out, but we want that to be. We want the pressure on the whole time,
Okay,
so that
yeah, I will. I
it's
just
not
gotta
going to
wash it
accumulate.
because it's really bloody.
Okay.
Gangnam is famous for plastic surgery, and Mina Plastic Surgery has distinguished itself as a leader in the field. Dr. Cha Jung-ho, a fluent English speaker with a background in reconstructive surgery, provides amazing results even in the most difficult cases, including corrective surgery for unsatisfied results from other clinics. For a free consultation, contact us at minaplasticsurgery.official@gmail.com. And from all of us at Mina Plastic Surgery, thank you for watching.